Dry, brittle, damaged hair is a never-ending problem, especially if you use flat irons, blow dry and certain hair products. Some hair are naturally dry, while others just simply over-treated. This DIY hair conditioner is like a day at the spa for your hair. And I made it simple to mix up few natural ingredients to reveal the shiny, smooth locks you've been missing. Here's what we need. Emulsifying wax. It acts as a binding agent between other ingredients. Shea butter. It creates a creamy texture that helps to smooth out unwanted frizz. Castor oil has been used for centuries to make your hair thicker and stronger. Vegetable glycerin. This clear liquid is a natural humectant which helps to attract moisture to your hair. And almond oil. It has got some amazing healing properties for damaged hair.